today we're gonna be unboxing this gift bag
From Canada, Embassy of Canada.
to Bhutan. So yeah,
Let's begin.
Let's start. Yeah.
Let's start.
Oh my God, I can already see so many good things here. It's a cap. Who's here? It's a cap called Canada. Yes, the country of maple syrup. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, we should wear it. And what do we have next? Oh, we have this pouch inside. Inside there's a moth which says Canada, which has the maple leaf, which is
Everything has maple.
national tree of Canada, right?
I think so.
I like this pouch. I can keep my
And
money
there's
in
one
it.
book, a really cute one. There's a pen as well. Good. And it's all in red.
There's maple leaf here. It's pretty cool.
So there's a bunch of
I want to see what this is. This is plantable pencils. So when you finish writing,
Oh look, there's a seat.
there's a seed at the bottom here. So when you're done using the pencil, you can just plant it, and the world can have more trees.
Okay, safe. Safe there.
There's 3 pens here. Say Canada, Canada, and Canada.
And lastly, there's one.
Small pin, which is Bhutan Canada friendship flag.
Flags.
Woo! Should we wear it right now or?
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, let's wear it right now. Right. So it's Bhutan and Canada. Woo!
And it's all in red, my favorite color.
Red, red, and red. More red.
Okay,
So-
thank you for watching us unbox this gift from Canada, Embassy of Canada, and please be sure to watch our
The second
Yeah,
season
the
of
second
QueerTalk
season. Yes.
is coming with so much more content. It's going to be really fun. Variety of people. It's going to be really exciting. So stay tuned. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.